is Dick's Sporting Goods. The earnings came in at $2.82 a share. That was nearly $1 worse than expectations on revenue of $3.22 billion. That was just shy of what the street was looking for. Comp store sales were up by 1.8% during the quarter, but that was worse than the 2.7% the street was expecting. Dick's is also lowering its earnings guidance for the full year. And if you read through this release, I was trying to figure out what happened, why they missed by so much when revenue was not off by all that much. Lauren Hobart is the president and CEO. She says while they were able to post another double-digit EBT margin, their second quarter profitability was short of expectations, due in large part because of the impact of elevated inventory shrink, an increasingly serious issue impacting many retailers. That's a huge number, though. The street obviously wants to hear more information about it. That stock down by 19% this morning on this.
Suspect, isn't it? I mean,
yeah, to say that we missed by $1, and it was largely because of shrinkage. And by the way, this commentary is above even the headline that they put in for any of the numbers on this. Shrinkage, clearly a huge problem for a lot of retailers. It's something every single one of them has mentioned and talked about how the shrinkage is getting greater. But this is a situation where they haven't mentioned shrinkage at Dick's in 20 years.
Got to be mature. Got to be mature. I think we should start calling it stealing, shouldn't we? I mean, it's just stupid.
It's stealing.
What is it? It's not really shoplifting. Necessarily.
No, look,
it's like going in gangs and
problem. This is organized crime that's really coming into a lot of these places.
Yes.
If you have just minor shoplifting, that is not going to add up to the billions of dollars that it is in the industry at this point.
But this reminds me of weather. When a company...
Yeah, so, look, everybody is dealing with weather. Everybody is dealing with stealing. Some are better at it, and sometimes it's used as an excuse. I don't know what the answer is here, but it is the first time that it's been brought up in about 20 years.
Yeah.
At this retailer.
Let's call it Dick's Sporting Goods, which is maybe that'll help. We call it Dick's Sporting Goods.
You know the problem with saying the whole thing?
Shrinkage at Dick's Sporting Goods.
But the problem is when I say Dick's Sporting Goods, I always want to say Sporting's Goods because it's the Dick's Sporting Goods. It's hard to go from the S to the not.
We have
a
hard, it's not that hard of a job. Still to come. Get us. Yeah, I really would have gone wild
if TV wasn't watching us?
Yeah,
we weren't
there wasn't a camera. Former shrinkage at Dick's Sporting Goods.